Yeah, yeah, good idea.
That works with the
Yes.
Look,
You can
the
barely
point of
hear me over the
having
music.
you
Alright.
gotta like make a second one so you don't finish doing it. I don't think that we like yeah, gotta pick it up.
Mic check. Jesse, is this better?
That's very echoey.
Alright. Yeah, I turned off the echo. The echo is just so I can hear it, so I can hear myself to see how the levels are mixed. Alright, I'm at the faraway. What do you guys need me to go get?
Um, you got the fine wood?
I'm just gonna go to Crossroads and get a few clothes and whatnot.
I'm here. What do you want me to get you?
Oh, I forgot where it is, but somewhere there's like a upgraded set of blue clothes,
You work for it. Those exist. I was looking.
and I have an iron sword somewhere.
That's mine.
No, a different iron sword.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think it's at the castle. He has a first ship. But it also
Okay.
might be at the Happy House.
I'm at the Earthship right now.
Okay, look in the Earthship and tell me if it's not the Earthship. I'll go over to the Happy House.
There's a smaller pair of leather pants and um, uh, level 1 blue tunic that I put on.
No, there's a full set. It's probably at the Happy House.
Okay.
I mean, do you want to wear those clothes instead?
I'm not too picky.
Do you want to wear that?
Well, I'll go get the other stuff.
I can go get it. That's what I'm telling
Okay,
you.
yeah, if you don't mind, yeah.
I can't see where shit, but that's okay.
Da-da-da.
Why didn't I just go to Lexi?
Do-do-do. Can't hear the game much now, though. That's okay, Jesse. Not much to hear. Mostly music and
It's very soft music.
yeah, soft music.
I feel like it's the daytime. When there's danger, you'll know.
He said the music seems dope.
Very.
There. Find a middle ground. Alright. Sound check. Trial and error, mostly error.
Okay, this is what you want, right, baby?
Yes, thank you. My mistake was not having eaten before all that combat happened.
I was in the process of eating, but I got we killed one mosquito and died by another. And a troll was on its way to swing.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much more I would have survived.
How are we doing on the medals? Do we need any more medals? Yeah. But yeah, Jesse said the music is dope, so he wanted to hear it. Which, yeah. This game makes great background watching, we were saying. Like, something you can fall asleep to or have in the background while cleaning or whatnot. I don't know. Even doing whatever. I want to find some regular wood and make arrows.
I have some arrows or some bullets.
Oh yes, please. I mean, I'm here at the crossroads. I can do it. I'm not doing much myself.
You can look in there and see if there's any wood. I'm just picking up wood as a time.
Oh. Don't see any in here. Alright.
You have a hammer?
No.
Oh, you don't need a hammer. What the fuck am I talking about? I have it.
I can find a hammer. I saw one not too long ago.
I mean, I should still. Okay. We only have like 6. Oh, where am I going with it? I don't have enough. Apparently I don't have enough wood.
Oh, that's okay. They're not crucial.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
Ah!
That's all right.
You still have that weapon that can cut down trees?
What's the new weapon? I'm very curious. Oh, okay.
I have
Nice.
one of those over at King's Quest. Oh no, actually it's not an Edgar, it's one of those big hammer things.
Can you toss me the clothes?
Stag. Oh yeah. Stag breaker. Yeah. So
That's okay. We're not in a hurry.
I mean, when are we ever in a hurry? This game is not for people to hear. I should go over to King's Quest though and see if I can get it.
And I'll go look for wood. And maybe a hammer.
Oh, I found it! Oh, I found that bronze axe that I can cut things with.
Nice.
I might be able to help with the quest now. Okay, cool. Do you need a weapon?
No, I have a weapon.
Where did I find it? Do you need a hammer? Does anybody need a hammer?
I could use a hammer.
You're not gonna start over.
Well, if I die. Well, I was just gonna make wood, but I can leave it here. I can leave the hammer before setting
No,
sail.
it's a. We should probably get one. I found more.
Alright, then I might not need the hammer if you've got the wood.
No, you would.
He's playing Eve right now. Very
There's
nice.
14 leather scraps. Are there any leather scraps?
Nope. The microphone picks up my typing, goes tippy tappy tappy tippy tappy.
Okay. So I'm gonna go back to Echo. Woo! That was bad.
meet you at Echoes. If you got wood, I'll make arrows. Oh, hi. Crossroads. Wait, I forgot. I have my armor stand. Looks like the mic is still active. I just switched the overlay.
What you making? Oh, that's a good idea.
Is there any spare wood over there I can make some arrows out of?
I've made some wood, but not a lot.
Okay.
Some arrows, like 80 or something.
Alrighty. 80 will be fine until I get my body back.
Yeah, but I need some arrows too.
Oh, that's true.
I'm trying to get some more. I don't have enough. I'm gonna try and get some wood, but still not. Where's thermometer?
No. Do you want to keep this contained? Sleepy takes you hunger. I don't know. Hungry, sleepy. It's like hangry, but sleepy. Hungry, sleepy.
I mean, I gave him some beers where I was like, dude, you can't not eat. And he was like, you better give me my food then.
Right.
A bag of popcorn. He was like, give me my favorite food. And I was like,
Mhm.
that's good.
What's
Give him a sandwich. Give him a piece of meat in the sandwich. He ate popcorn. He ate the chips. Maybe Pediasure. Yeah, I got fine wood. I don't know where I got fine wood from. I don't even have anything that can catch that kind of thing. I'm protecting it. I don't know where I got it. I should probably turn around. He's probably gonna have to do that.
a huge what?
Appetite.
Oh, maybe.
It's got a bunch of wood out here. Oh, can I not pick this up? Times
Nice. Now I think I could park further along the shore where it's further away from the plains, and we should be able to like safely land on the Black Forest. So I think that's what I'll try to do.
So y'all are already at the freaking place?
Nope.
You guys got like a down wall over here. Did you know that?
Sure.
I'm fixing your guys' I'm fixing your guys'
Yeah, that's a good idea, actually.
I'm fixing Echo's perimeter,
There's a hole in the perimeter.
and the doggy is like, no.
Don't want the dog to get out.
Well, there was like a hole in the perimeter, and I fixed it. All better now. I was outside collecting wood, and I was like, why can't I get back inside? It is not open. All fixed. Okay, what are we doing here?
Sailing through the night and then
Here.
arriving in the morning.
Where am I putting Stephanie?
Where are you? Echoes? Just find him and toss him at me.
I'm gonna go back.
Right here.
What do I need to do? Nails and
Arrows.
nails and what?
Arrows.
Oh, I don't think it's
Okay, you didn't have to give me the boat materials. Does someone have a hammer?
there. I do.
Okay.
But I can do the woman. I thought this was what giving me.
Oh no, I mean I could. Okay. No, I just wanted some arrows.
Okay, here.
There, I threw them. They landed. Okay.
Get them?
Yeah. Did you get the arrows back? Or the nails?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to be doing.
Yeah, I'm okay sailing through the
We
night.
have enough. Do we have enough deer hide? Because I only have 5 on me.
So good.
I mean, do we have any over far away? We might have some far away. Yeah. We might have some more over at Far Away, I don't know.
I can check Crossroads.
I'm just gonna sit here with the helmet on.
The funny thing is that helmet might provide more protection than my whole outfit.
That's potentially awesome.
Mm. Andrew, do you have clothes on? I think he has a cape. Okay.
Should I have a cape? Oh, I have a cape. I have a hat.
Let's do it. Okay, Linnea has the hammer. You can make the boat, right? Or get everything to us. Is that black metal pole arm? Very cool, and will probably be very useful.
Black metal what?
8th gear.
Whoa.
Oh yes.
Okay, so who's making it?
You are.
Okay. So here's that.
Didn't give you the deer hide.
I have deer hide in here. What do you want me to? Where is the fine one? I don't
I
see
don't know. I mean, put the hide there too, so it's easy to
I
read.
don't see it.
It's in the chest behind the door.
Where's the chest? Oh, that one.
Oop.
How much do we need?
It's 20, right? 30 woods. Oh.
Shit. I don't know if we have we have 25 reds in here. We're good. We're good. Okay. Cool. We need to like just stuff aside and I know I have too much of everything basically, so I'm gonna plop it down and then go back.
I'm more familiar with these smaller boats anyway.
Is something wrong with the boat?
No, he missed it. He was jumping in. We have room for one more to hold on to the mast. If Corey wants to join us. Alright, Jesse had to go. Oh, nice. What book? If it matters. Nice. Ah. I'm the opposite. I'm reading a book where the chapters are like 2 pages long because that fits my attention span. I'm just proud that I'm reading something, yeah. Ooh. Alright.
No, I didn't grab the harpoon. That's why I told you to grab it. Should we go grab it real fast?
I got a bow.
I have a bow. I have a bow. But do we need to go get the harpoon?
Go ahead and motor me. Oh no, you're out of the boat. I'm trying to stop it for you.
You wanna go back and get the go back? So
Yeah, I can wait here.
we're gonna go get the harpoon.
Yeah, I'll just.
I'm gonna get the harpoon.
Okay, I'll keep the boat nearby.
Better. Better. I'm gonna get a harpoon. I have a bow and some wooden arrows. That's not really good. So let's get the harpoon. I've never used a harpoon before. There's a bronze entangler here. Where's the harpoon?
Where's yeah? Do you know where the harpoon is?
I thought it was supposed to be on the here, right here.
All right.
Okay, I thought it was hanging on the wall in the kitchen. I keep going for that tree that doesn't exist. Right. I thought it was. There's only a bronze entangler there now. Like, what happened? Right? There's a fine wood bow in there. There's a battle axe. Battle axe. Okay.